Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Ford Everest, stock number 7352. It's run from the 7th of 2015 and the 5th 2022. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory Litre tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory Litre tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory Litre tyre. Right hand headlight needs polish. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.